Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find a screen recording feature. Here it is, silent screen recording. Okay, so by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So you can change sound settings, like you can enable silent screen recording or voiced screen recording. Sure, you can change picture quality, and you can also record screen click positions, which you will see what it's all about. So to start recording, tap on this button once. Here you can also select if you want to have your voice on recording or not, and recording starts after this countdown. So I don't know, let's record some of our screen, some settings. So here you can see where I touch the screen on this ball that follows my finger. So to stop recording, tap on this red button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the video or screen recording album, and here it is. So I don't know, let's record some of our screen, some settings. So here you can see where I touch the screen on this ball that follows my finger. So from here you can so I don't know, let's record some of I don't know. So here you can delete, share, or edit your recording here in gallery. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.